If you're looking to build targeted email lists quickly and efficiently, you've probably heard of Apollo.io. This platform is one of the best tools for leveraging data to build effective outreach strategies. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Apollo.io for building email lists in just a few simple steps. By the end, you'll understand how to harness the power of Apollo.io to scale your email marketing efforts. The first thing you'll notice when you log into Apollo.io is its intuitive interface. It's designed for both beginners and pros. To start building your email list, you'll want to go straight to the prospects section. This is where you can search for leads based on multiple criteria like job title, industry, location, and company size. It's important to be as specific as possible in your searches to make sure you're targeting the right people. Whether you're looking for CEOs in tech companies or marketing managers in e-commerce, Apollo.io allows you to filter and narrow down your results effectively. Once you've set your filters, Apollo.io will generate a list of potential leads that match your criteria. You can view detailed information for each lead, including their name, email, and job title. This is crucial for building a list that's not just big, but also relevant to your business needs. When it comes to email marketing, quality is just as important as quantity, and Apollo.io helps ensure you're reaching out to the right audience. A great feature to take advantage of when using Apollo.io for building email lists is its integration with CRM systems. If you're using a CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot, you can seamlessly sync your Apollo.io data to keep everything in one place. This integration saves you time and helps maintain consistency across your marketing efforts. Now, one of the biggest time savers is Apollo.io's ability to help you automatically enrich your leads. Once you've found a prospect, Apollo.io can pull in additional data from public sources, like social media profiles or company websites. This gives you a more comprehensive picture of each lead before you send out your first email. It's one thing to have someone's email address, but it's even better when you know about their background, interests, or the company they work for. This can help you personalize your emails for a much higher success rate. For those of you who want to get even more advanced, Apollo.io also offers advanced tools like sequencing and automated outreach. This means you can set up follow-up emails that are triggered after a certain amount of time if your lead doesn't respond. It's a great way to keep the conversation going without lifting a finger. And for all you marketers out there, you'll love Apollo.io's analytics feature. You can track how your emails are performing and adjust your campaigns accordingly. If certain subject lines are getting more opens, or if specific industries are responding better to your messaging, you can optimize your outreach for even better results. One thing to keep in mind as you're building email lists with Apollo.io is that you want to make sure you're compliant with GDPR and other email marketing regulations. Fortunately, Apollo.io has built-in tools that help ensure you're following best practices and staying compliant while building your lists. For those of you just getting started, Apollo.io offers a completely free plan that you can use to test out all the features. You can access that free trial through the link in the description below. Plus, when you sign up, you'll get exclusive bonuses that can further help you grow your email lists. Now, you're probably wondering what happens after you've built your list. Well, you're in a great position to launch email campaigns that will actually convert. Apollo.io makes it super easy to export your list, or you can continue to nurture those leads directly on the platform. Whether you're looking to drive sales, book meetings, or just grow your network, Apollo.io has the tools to make it happen. To wrap things up, Apollo.io isn't just a tool for collecting emails, it's a complete prospecting platform that can help you build, manage, and optimize your email lists with ease. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial through the link below and start building your email lists today.